Now I'm going to show you some more commands or how we can perform the other functions using SQL. So first we will use a database. You have already created it, and let us create a table. Look, you can create table directly here, or you can make use of SQL, this W3 schools, and in that you have a entire course or W3 schools. You can correctly at your own time. You can check one example, and you can analyze how it works. The syntax is given there, and with practice you will get to understand, and you will get to know how and what we can add more in these commands, and we can go for some more complex concepts. As of now, just let us create some table employee. We know what we have to write. We have to write ID, then the data type, name, then the data type. Then what are you going to write? Salary and end. It shows query is okay. Now we have to insert into employee ID. We have name and we have salary. We want to insert the values here. The values that we are going to insert is 1, then name, maybe Sanya, then salary, maybe 9, 8. Okay, it shows it is an unknown column, Sanya. The error has occurred because this is varchar and we need to insert the value in comma. So now the row is added. Let us add some more rows. ABC 2. Again, the value, let us take value of salary as 98. Then we are going to insert some more columns. X, Y, Z. Okay, then just add some more. Now we want to see how what is the command for showing the contents of table. Show the contents of table in MySQL. So you will see, let us write W3 schools. So here, we have select a statement that we have already understood yesterday. So we will write select star from table name. So these are the contents. Now I have to make a key as a primary key. I have already shown it. I'm just revising the concept, making primary key. I'm showing you how we can get the content from the W3 schools and how we can use that. Now I have to make I have to make it as primary key, not at the time of creation, but later on. So we will alter this. We will use alter table. What we are going to use? Alter table employee, then add primary key ID. Okay, what is saying? It is saying query is okay. So 4 rows are affected because we have made ID as a primary key and there are 4 rows for the ID. Then let us see now. There are some other concepts that you have to see. After the creation of the tables, one can perform many functions. For example, you need to perform various queries, like you have to select the some content from the table. So for that, you can make use of this, like select star. Select all the rows from employee table where salary is equivalent to 98. So it will show all the four because the salary is equivalent to the. Now we will see where ID is 1. How many rows it is going to select? It is going to select only one row because ID is 1. So likewise, you can perform many functions on this, and we have also the concept of aggregation functions in MySQL, and SQL aggregate functions such as sum, average, we have max, min, count. So these produce a single value for the entire group of table entries. Aggregate or column functions can also be used along with the select. So we are using select. So let us see, can we use select sum of salary from employee. It is showing us the total of employees, like salary. 98 plus 98, we are getting 398. So sum, we know. Let us take some other examples. We will use function average here. AVG is the word that we use for the taking the average of salary. So it's 98 because we make use of, we sum the salary and then we are going to divide it. Obviously, it will be 98. Then you can also see the max of the salary. What is going to be? It is going to be 98 because it is the same. Like it is same for the all. If you can add, you just try at your home. You add one row of salary having different values, and you can check these functions with that. So we are trying to figure out whether the syntaxes are correct. So the syntax is correct. You are getting 98. Let us see the count. I need to see the count. That you will write count here, and then you are going to write star here. I will be telling you why star. So what we are getting? We are getting count as 4 because there are 4 entries. This function counts the number of rows in the output table. Okay, the function count with the asterisk counts the number of rows in the resulting table. So if you write count bracket, you are writing inside the bracket, you are not writing star, you are writing distinct. Then it will eliminate the rows containing the duplicate value before counting them in the output table. For example, if I am going to insert, let us insert one more like entry like this. It will show duplicate entries there, but we have already set primary key. So in that case, we will see, we will have the 4 values because you have written primary key there. So in this case, if you have a table without a primary key and you have duplicate rows, on writing the distinct word, that will only provide you the rows that are not redundant. So here we will check further, check distinct. It should give us the value as we have to write the distinct, and we will write distinct like we can write here distinct salary, because we have to choose a value here. Now see. So here I have written the count distinct. It will eliminate the duplicate values before calculating the count. So similarly, like sum distinct can be used, average distinct can be used. Here you can see the difference. If you are using select star, you have 4 entries because primary key is here. In this query, we had a error here because we were not using the value, like distinct with respect to which value. Here the salary of all the rows, we have the same value, so it will return 1 as the row. Obviously here it will return 1 as the row. Likewise, you can make use of some other functions or commands